Check it out. Latercase for the Pixel 6 Pro. Let's go! Hey everyone, welcome back to Zach Talks Pixel, your source for everything Pixel and Google ecosystem. If you were on the live stream the other night, you know that we unboxed and put on the Latercase here for the Google Pixel 6 Pro. Definitely a surface protection type case, as you can see here. Very, very thin, but if all you need is basic surface protection, this is definitely the way to go. I personally love the classy look and the way it basically just kind of envelops the whole phone, but it allows you to use the original buttons on the phone. Nothing's being covered up at all. I know some of you may not be a fan of the complete coverage on the camera module here, but that's just kind of how they make them at Latercase. This right here is the Cyber Edition. Now the Latercase is an ultra thin 0.6 millimeter thick case. It is featherweight, as they call it. 10 grams or less, super lightweight there. And they are saying on the back of the packaging here that it is 5 times stronger than steel. As usual, when you order your Latercase here, you're gonna get a real classy, unboxing experience. Really like the magnetic here and a little bit list here of the features that you're gonna come to expect. Go ahead and slide this open here with the little tab. Inside, you're gonna find your Latercase. Underneath the case there's gonna be some basic marketing information here at Latercase on both Twitter and Instagram. And of course, it's made of 100% Dupont Kevlar. As you can see here from the live stream, it's very simple to put on, just snaps into place, put the two corners in. The case does have raised corners, so if you were to put it onto a flat surface, the phone would be raised, so that way the screen is protected. But again, very minimal, very basic protection. But if that's all you need, hey, this is the way to go. This is the next best thing to just putting like a wrap on your case. And as you can see here, very simple to slip off the case if you want to and switch things up. So what do you guys think of the Latercase? This is the Cyber Edition like I was talking about before. Are you gonna get one for your Pixel 6 or your Pixel 6 Pro? Have you ever had a Latercase before for any other previous Pixel? Let me know down in the comment section there. And if you're looking to get your own Latercase, there is a link down in the comment section there, latercase.com. Go ahead and check them out. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up. Think about hitting that subscribe button as well, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Cheers. All right.